Hello kids, welcome to Young Kids TV. Learn some colors. Fan, yellow color fan. Okay, happy face, smileys. Then first learn some colors. Green color. Which color, kids? Green color. Kids, please subscribe my channel, kids. Please subscribe and share. Sky blue color. Which color? Sky blue. Orange color. Orange. Pink color. Which color? Pink color. Yellow color. Which color, kids? Yellow. Red color. Which color? Red color. Ganesha. Super Ganesh. Ball Ganesh. Okay kids. Fruit ice cream coloring. Fruit ice cream coloring. Strawberry ice cream. Pineapple ice cream and orange ice cream. Okay, let's coloring. First, pineapple, green color. Green color. Which color, kids? Green. Green color. Super coloring. Which color? Green color. Which color, kids? Green. Green color. Super coloring. Super. Then light green pencil coloring. Light green pencil coloring. Super coloring. Pencil coloring. Green. Green color outline. Then pineapple yellow. Pineapple yellow color. Super coloring. Pineapple yellow color. Super coloring. Pineapple yellow. Which color? Yellow color. Yellow color. Finish the pineapple. Super coloring. Finish the coloring. Super. Okay. Then brown color stick. Ice cream stick coloring. Ice cream stick coloring. Ice cream stick coloring brown. Then brown color ice stick. Brown color. Brown color. Brown color. Which color, kids? Brown. And green color. Green color leaves. Which color? strawberry ice cream leaves coloring, super coloring, super. Then orange leaves, green color, orange leaves, green color. Then red color. Which color, kids? Red color. Strawberry ice cream, red. Which color? Red color. Strawberry ice cream, red color. Super coloring, super. Red color, red color. Strawberry coloring, strawberry color, red. Super coloring, strawberry. Then orange coloring, orange. Which color, kids? Orange color. Super coloring, orange. Which color? Orange coloring, super coloring, super. Orange coloring, orange color. Okay kids, please subscribe my channel, kids. Please subscribe and share. Bye.